guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to get the Brazilian nuts installed, so make sure that you stay until the end so you can see it all styled and so you can see how it looks. Look how short my hair is. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you the entire process. Make sure that you subscribe and follow. So they're telling me that I have to put my own robe, and this is what we do here. So first we're going to do my Jei CQ because you know I have like 1 or 2 grays, and this is the person that's going to install my hair, okay? So she's, oh Lord. So she's making the hair color for me. So keep watching. This is what I have to go through, okay? Uh-huh. Hi, don't come to Salon 809. Guys, my hair is really healthy. I had the Brazilian nuts for 6 years and I cut it into a bob, and now I want a long hair again. I'm actually doing it for y'all. And I'm going to the IBS show in New York. So of course I gotta show off my Brazilian nuts. So yeah, first color, then Brazilian nuts. Stay tuned, keep watching. So now we're gonna cut the weft, right? So we can prepare the hair for my Brazilian nuts. I have to do my own work here, as you can see. So I'm just cutting the weft, and I'm not even being careful. So normally I won't do this like this, but because it's for my own hair, I don't care that much. And I'm gonna show you how my hair looks without the rollers, so you can see how short it is. It's a bob, as you can see. And this is the weft. So I'll be back. So I am separating the hair to install the Brazilian nuts. Not on my own hair. One of the staff members here will be installing it for me. The girlie that's gonna install it for me, she's actually doing somebody's hair right now. So I'm separating the hair so I can get it installed. So we can go this thick, yeah. See ya. So I'm gonna show you how this is done, how my hair is now, and how my hair is gonna be afterwards, okay? Where did she go? Rollers, because that's what we do. We're Dominicans, so we do rollers. See, you can see my hair. She want me for me to part my own hair. Okay, so this is my hair, as you can see, right? You see my little ponytail? And I'm gonna do a ponytail just like that, so keep watching. So this is me before, and wait to see me after. This is what I gotta deal with. This is what I gotta deal with. You see that? The attitude, all of that. Actually, my hair is so black, it's so beautiful and so healthy. So now we have to blow dry before we do the part, and then style the hair. And the comb is a Dominican technique. I bet you didn't know. I'm telling her to do the same waves that I got the other day that she did for my hair when I styled my hair. So my hair is really fine, and we do very minimum heat. So the blow dryer is like a lower setting. And that's exactly what we do for our clients too, depending on the hair texture. Guys, I can't wait to see my hair long. I haven't had my hair long like in almost a year. I keep cutting it because I wanted to have a bob, but I am ready to have a little length and be glamorous and beautiful. Well, beautiful I already am. So this is how my hair is. And we're gonna start the install right now, so. If you want to see exactly what she's doing, you can go to the other videos and you can see exactly how the Brazilian knots is installed. I don't feel like getting the camera and getting up close. That'll be too much to do. People say that it hurts. Oh, it hurts. No, it doesn't hurt. It depends who installed the Brazilian knots for you. If you go over here and go get it done by these people that don't know what they're doing, and then it's a different story. They don't hurt. They're pretty healthy. My hair is super healthy. I had them in for 6 years and my hair is super, super healthy. So this is some of my hair that I just cut off the weft and I'm getting ready to clean it up. The hair that we have is actually pretty good quality. It doesn't have a lot of short hair, but I still like to clean it up. So I'm gonna clean it up and whatever hair that are short is gonna come out. So you'll be able to see it here. So now this hair is clean and it's ready for install. Full top to bottom. This actually is Burmese curly. This hair is actually curly and we straighten it. So this is the hair that I removed from it. Hey guys, and as you can see, this is my end result. Look how beautiful my hair looked. So if you want to get your hair done, make sure that you follow. I will leave the link below. I can do a ponytail. I can do a high ponytail look and I had a bob and look how beautiful and natural my hair looks. I can do half up, half down and look how beautiful.